Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back on the R1M this time. Going on a little group ride. The weather was nice. Last ride I went on was on the H2. And it's been like about 3-4 days. That's usually long for me. So I missed riding, so I hit up a few of my friends and I told them let's ride. Oh, I forgot this bike has an auto blip, unlike the H2. So I had a few friends for a ride, and that's exactly what we're doing. Another sunset sunset ride since the weather is nicer. Last time I rode the H2, so this time I gotta take out the R1M. Show both bikes some love, you know. It is the last day of the month, which means that cops are hot. Usually by the end of the month, cops, I don't know, they gotta meet their quota or whatever. And from personal experience, I think it's actually true, because most of the times that I've gotten pulled over was at the end of the month. So, and they're always from stuff that are like kind of pointless, like nothing crazy, just random stuff that cops just, you know, pick on. I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be like a short ride, nothing crazy, because it's a cool day and the sun is already setting. But you know, anything that's better than nothing. Every time I get on the H2 and then I get on this bike, I'm like, oh, this bike is so much easier to ride. It's just so nimble, and it's not like trying to kill you with all the power it has, you know what I mean? Like, the throttle is way more forgiving. That's almost more fun when you want to go on a like chill, relaxing ride. The H2 is more fun when you go to meets and like, I don't know, more like crazy stuff, because you know, it's a crazy bike. Bro, my knees are taking forever to heal. Like, I told you guys that I'm gonna be going to a track day in November, and I might be going to another one in October, but I honestly don't think I can wear my leather pants with my knees. Like, that's gonna be too much friction with the heat at the track and all of that. They might really start hurting. Like this, when my jeans like barely touches my knees, like it burns. It does not feel pleasant at all. This side is a little bit better, but this side is still messed up because the wound was deeper. So yeah, I hope within a month. What is that? Was that an MV Agusta? I barely took a glance. So yeah, I was saying, I really hope my wounds of my knees heal up pretty fast before October, which is like in a month. I highly doubt it. They're taking really long, but I really hope so I can do 2 track days instead of just one in October and another one in November. But hopefully, definitely by November, because the one in November is like late November, so I would have pretty much like 3 months to heal up if I don't mess up my knees again somehow. Stretched Busa gang. What's up, guys? How you doing? Eric is not here yet?
You guys know you guys are the last one.
I thought.
Man, what the fuck?
I was just complaining about it. They're so annoying.
Constantly picking at this, you know.
I'm trying not to touch it. This side is getting better, but this side, yeah, that's why I have to extra cut my jeans so it doesn't bother me when I ride. Yeah.
Is that that's from that, huh?
Yeah. Yep. Like 3 months. Wait, yeah, 3 months.
Hands okay though?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, well, I can't bend. This is as far as I can go. This is like me really trying hard. It just doesn't go anymore. I need physical therapy. I'm just procrastinating. It's shattered. Yeah.
It's been in a steel position for a long.
Yeah, it was, yeah, even like my arm, I lost so much strength in the left because it was like this the whole time for like about 2 months.
I'm done fucking with these guys.
Okay, there you go. Not your race.
Wait, he got a new bike?
No, it's that's SoCal.
We gotta go get some gas and then we're gonna go on our little ride. Yeah, we probably won't have much time. It's already 7:20. Oh, that race fuel from this 1000 smells so strong. Cloudy right now. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Looks like we're riding into a storm right now. Hopefully not. never mind. I was gonna speed up here, but there's usually a cop hiding right there. I know you guys like revving, so open up the visor, give you a couple of revs. How's leaning with it lowered? Does it feel weird? Yeah. I know.
I don't like it at all.
I don't either. That's why I don't like taking the H2 there, because it's lower too.
It's lowered, it's all stiff and shit, so like every little bump is like... Recipe for fucking disaster.
I know. I was like, I know Eric would want to speed here. I figured it was the bike. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.